When Manifest integrates with Oracle Unifier, your frontline teams gain a seamless, intelligent way to initiate, execute, and capture critical work, whether it's an inspection, maintenance task, or complex procedure. Through this powerful connection, Oracle Unifier automatically pushes work orders and procedures into Manifest. The moment a task begins, workers receive clear, step-by-step instructions. Hands-free, interactive, and designed to keep them focused on doing, not guessing. Each step can include videos, images, and notes, turning even the most technical procedure into something easy to follow. 4 high-impact steps. Manifest prompts users to capture proof, a photo, short video, or note, confirming the work was completed exactly as required. That evidence flows instantly back to Oracle Unifier, creating a secure, auditable record in real time. And when something isn't right, Manifest's intuitive fault workflow makes it easy to flag, document, and resolve issues. Drop a digital fault marker, attach supporting media, and leave it for review. Supervisors can assess and assign fixes remotely, while technicians simply point, hover, and view everything they need to correct the fault. Once resolved, Manifest automatically logs who cleared it, when, and what was done. From inspection to documentation, every detail is captured in Manifest and synced with Oracle Unifier. No duplicate data entry, no piles of paperwork, no guesswork. Together, Oracle and Manifest connect your workforce, your data, and your operations, so you can work smarter, respond faster, and build a more confident, more capable team.